What's up, YouTube? This is your boy CJ63 Awesome _YT, aka Core Johnson. We're back in our video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to build Heavy and Robo Heavy. First we'll do Heavy. So yeah. You'll need this torso, and those kind of arms and those hands. You'll need this pair of legs. Snap those two together. And you'll need this head. This comes from Thor, by the way. That is Heavy supercharged head, or face, I should say. And there's the Heavy minifigure. This is man Heavy, not machine. And I will show you guys how to build Sasha as well. But next is Robo Heavy, like I said. You'll need this torso for Robo Heavy. This pair of legs, snap them together. And this head, snap it on, and you have Robo Heavy. There we go. You got Robo Heavy. Okay, so now we will build Sasha, aka Heavy's machine gun. So you're gonna need this piece. Put this right here. That's not it. Then put this piece right here, and then put this piece inside that piece. So far so good. Then put this on, like that. Then put this on right here. So far we are almost done with Sasha. Then put this blue piece on top of this black piece right here. And then put another black piece on top. And then put it in the middle right here. And voila, you have Sasha. You can or can't. You can add the bullets if you want to. I'm of course going to add the bullets to make it more Team Fortress 2 accurate. Because this is heavy. So yeah. Okay, so there's the bullets. You don't have to add them if you're going to make Sasha with heavy. But yeah. So that was Heavy from Team Fortress 2. Like I said, I would do how-to builds of the Team Fortress 2 characters. I'm not going to do the sneak peeks like I did with the review videos, but I am going to do how-to builds. So yeah, we'll do a quick comparison of Robo Heavy and Man Heavy. They both are, of course, heavy weapons guys. They both are different. This is the This is the man version. This is the robot, aka machine. I would build another Sasha if I had more Legos for Robo Heavy, but I do not, sadly. So yeah, but stay tuned for more Team Fortress 2 Lego Team Fortress 2 videos. Robo Heavy will be in a few videos with the Team Fortress 2 characters. So yeah. This is the only Robo character that I have made, and the only one that will be made. So yeah. But anyways, guys, that's it for me though. Please sure to like, comment, subscribe, and clear tap on that notification bell to never miss my vids. I'll see you guys next video. Peace to the homies and homegirls out there that watch the YouTube video. And if the least left speaker is the only one that works, it's probably from an audio issue, like because I play so many Roblox Boombox games, and they play loud sonorities, and one of my speakers could be out because of that crap. So, yeah. But yeah, peace out, guys.